Good morning and welcome to a new Disney vlog. Oh, I think I swallowed a fly. Today we are heading to Blizzard Beach for a nice chilled day in the water park this morning. Yeah, the weather looks like it's going to be lovely all day, no rain forecast. So today should be a really good day. We've arrived 10 minutes after opening, so should be nice and quiet, and we'll get on some slides and play in the lazy river and all that good stuff. So I will take you along with me. I've remembered my GoPro, so I will show you what we get up to. No, you're not creating your own Mickey tie-dye. Oh, the Disney songs, Christmas songs, the cast members are out with their big hands and bubbles. Yay! Where else do you get a water park? Oh, entrance like that. Summit Plummet, there's people on it already. Oh. Right, let's go and get a locker and get set up for the day. That's nice. Oh, there's a fan with some mist on the go, which is very nice and refreshing. We're all locked up, all sunbedded up, all sun creamed up, and now it's time to get in the lazy river. And they've also got the little seat chairs in this lazy river as well, so I'm very happy. It's going to be absolutely freezing. Is it cold? Oh, it's actually freezing. Oh. I'm just going to stay here for a bit. I wait for some tubes to come round. Then fill in to get them. Where's all the tubes up here? Is there not a seat? Is there not a seat? There actually is nothing. I'll have that one if there's no more. So cold. It's cold! What? It's so cold! No, in the middle! No! It's freezing! On the plus side, they don't have the extra ones on in here yet. Filming for evidence of how mean you are to me.
I can't help it.
It's for the divorce lawyers.
I can't help with a current cancer.
Yeah, apart from you keep kicking it that way. Oh, because it's so cold. Stop it! No!
right. That's it. Not playing no more. Oh, it's so cold.
I'm boiled.
Oh, you know. That's no tea for you. You're getting grounded. Stay in the hotel room. Meanie. Put me in the sunshine, I'm cold now. Yeah, one more. We estimated how many flights of stairs it is to get up to the top of here, and I want to go with 8.5 flights. 127 steps, because Philip counted it. So that would mean if it was 8 flights of stairs, we've done 16 flights so far, and we'd have to do another 8 to make sure we've done all 3 sides. Such a workout. Unfortunately, my Apple Watch isn't waterproof, so I'm getting no credit for these on my app right now. Cold in mine. Oh no! We have come down the wrong side. Stupid flies. No way! My child must move because I'm going to get stuck. Don't you dare.
What's it?
No. Oh no, he's got a seat. Don't tip him out.
Oh, it's very dark. We've taken a pit stop to get some food. We've come to the I can't say that. Wata Lodge in Blizzard Beach. I have gone for the chicken strips because they're my favourite. Disney chicken is the best, and Philip has got the same. Don't need to show you that. And Philip has also gone for, which is also on the dining plan, this, which is a frozen Jack Daniels and Coke. I just went for a standard Fanta. All of this came to $37.43 and was completely free on the dining plan as a quick service credit. So we're gonna eat this up and then go do some more slides.
You have to stand on number 3.
I'm on number 2.
This is my favourite. You know, you put me on this side because I'm the lightest.
That's what he thinks.
ice cream o'clock yet this holiday, and we're already on day 4.
Yesterday.
Well, yeah, but that wasn't an ice cream o'clock, that was at tea time. So that one doesn't count. I'm gonna get a swirl cone ice cream. Yum. Ice cream time!
Have you not been spotted yet?
No. Disney do the best soft serve swirl ice cream. I can't believe it's taken me 4 days to have a swirl ice cream. It's so good!
I can't believe I haven't had a doll yet.
It's so fluffy!
We finished our day off at Typhoon Lagoon. Not Typhoon Lagoon, Blizzard Beach. Now we're going to head back. We have got a dining reservation tonight at California Grill, so we're going to head back, get changed, and get all prepared for that. And there is extra magic hours on at Magic Kingdom tonight from 10 till midnight, so we're going to stay back for those as well. So we're going to get back, showered, washed, changed. But Blizzard Beach was lovely today. I've forgotten what it's like to have a nice sunny day in Florida, like all day in a water park. It didn't happen last year. And even like Typhoon Lagoon the other day was a bit iffy, wasn't it? Yeah. But we're gonna get the bus back now, and we'll see you in a bit.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.